Today, I'm going to show you a regular fruit tea, Thai milk tea, and iced cafe latte using cream cheese for our topping. So the ingredients that you need to make this cream cheese, softened cream cheese, I use Philadelphia cream cheese, about 60 to 80 grams. And then make sure you mash the cream cheese first. To that, you add all-purpose cream or any heavy cream that you can find. And I use Nestle cream, about 250 ml of Nestle cream. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar and then about half a teaspoon of sea salt. To come up with the consistency that you're looking for, you can either use just a spoon or you can use some accessories like a hand mixer or an electric milk frother or an electric whisk. There are many tools that you can use to come up with this type of consistency. The first one is just using a tea bag. It's a fruit tea. So I'm just going to start with this one. So let's get some hot water. Alright, so this is a 16 ounce cup, so I'm just going to use about 4 ounces of hot water. Let's put our tea bag here and wait for it to steep for about 2 to 3 minutes. For the Thai tea, I am using our own blend of premium Thai tea. And then we're going to use our espresso machine to brew this tea. I normally put about 2 scoops to make it really, really strong. And then let's pour about 4 ounces of Thai tea. So here we have about 4 ounces of Thai tea. And finally, we're going to make our cafe latte. For cafe latte, because this is ice, we're going to use 2 shots of espresso. Two shots of espresso. There you go. Start with our fruit tea. Let's just put it in our cup. Now, because I would like this to be non-milk, all I'm going to put now is about 1 tablespoon of sugar. I don't want it to be too sweet. If it's commercial, you can put up to 2 tablespoons of sugar. But this one is, I'm going to drink it today. So let's give it a good stir. This is a good tea, so I mean it's quite strong, so that's all we need. And for our Thai milk tea, the same, where we have our 4 ounces of tea, and then the commercial formula, I'm going to make it less sweet. Commercial formula is about 2 ounces of our milk syrup, but I'm going to make it only 50% sweet, so I'm going to reduce it to 1 ounce of our milk syrup, and then to complete the milk, you need about 2 ounces of milk for this formula, for this recipe. I'm going to add fresh milk, so this will make it less sweet. So 1 and 1, so you get 2 ounces of milk and the milk syrup which has condensed milk in it. Okay, there you go. So that's our Thai milk tea. This beautiful orange color. And finally, for our latte. For our latte, it's the same. So you have your 2 shots of espresso, and then we add 2 ounces of milk syrup. But I would like it to be less sweet, so I'm going to again make it only 1 ounce of milk syrup, and then add 1 ounce of fresh milk. So again, if you're using it for commercial purpose, use 2 ounces of your milk syrup and then combine it with your 2 shots of espresso. That's your latte. Okay, time to put some ice into our cup. I forgot that I need to put an extra 2 ounces of milk, fresh milk. So that's 2 shots of espresso, 2 ounces of your milk syrup, and then an additional 2 ounces of fresh milk. There we go. Beautiful. So these are our 3 drinks, and now it's time to put the icing on the cake. Delicious. Perfect blend of the fruity, which is peach and passion fruit. Absolutely tastes like peach and passion fruit. And the cream cheese on top is just the perfect balance to that refreshing taste of the fruit tea. Absolutely delicious. What is there not to like about Thai milk tea? You must try. Finally, your iced cafe latte. Of course, this is real coffee, freshly brewed beans to cup coffee. So you've got that perfect taste of freshly brewed coffee, and it's got the aftertaste of the coffee. It's got real taste, and the smell, the aroma is just there. It's nothing like instant coffee. And then you top it up with perfectly creamy cream cheese. Absolutely sensational. So give it a try at home, and you can try with any of these drinks that I've just shown you today, and let me know how it goes. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.